Are you ready? Look, you can pet. You can pet her. You can pet her. He's so excited for it. Pet her. Almost got her. Right there. Pet her. Pet her. There we go. Good girl. Yes, it's so exciting. Yes, ma'am. Someone's got on their new shirt that they got in the mail yesterday. Yeah, you like it, don't you? Yes, ma'am. She looks cute, Lubes. Thanks again for the shirt. This is awesome. Now we're gonna go show it off by going for a walk. We're excited because Zelda's here. Oh, yes. Are we touching? There we go. Oh, yes. We love our kitty. Get her. Are you gonna touch her? No? You being shy now? Are you being shy now? You're just making a whole bunch of noise. Oh, Zelda. Oh, yes. Are you done? Zelda. Zelda. Aw, you went away from us. Jason's Deli. Let's go eat some salads and a salmon sandwich. There's so many fans to look at. Pumpkin. Are you enjoying your peas? I squished it. Oh.
I don't think she likes these as much as the soft
cooked ones. Yeah.
No, they're cooked. But they're just not cooked as much.
Is that good? Use those choppers. Hey. You going to church, huh? Is that where you're headed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Daddy. That's where I'm going. Come here. You're hoping that I give you more food, but I'm not gonna give it to you, 'cause I just fed you. Yes, I did. Come here, buddy. Come here.
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, you're the sexiest fat cat ever.
Oh, yes. Does that feel good? Yes, it does. Scratcha, 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 scratcha.